Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how tablets are made step by step.
Our industrial blenders ensure a uniform mixture of paracetamol and excipients. This precise blending is
Here, the ingredients are blended together, creating a uniform dosage. This process is critical for quality and patient safety.
Moisture levels are steady, but look at the deviation in particle size.
I see it. The blend uniformity remains within tolerance, however.
Every batch is refined and tested for consistent tablet weight and hardness.
Every batch is refined and tested for consistent tablet weight and hardness.
Every tablet is checked to ensure it meets strict medical standards.
And that's how paracetamol tablets are made, RGMBS, from start to finish.
And that's how paracetamol tablets are made, from start to finish.